Hello everyone and welcome to DJARCADE Production, the new frontier of audio and video productions in the international dance scene.
Hello and welcome to DJARCADE Tutorial Section, the satellite channel of the DJARCADE Production Group. Today we show you how to record an internal audio stream on PC. A piece of music, a sound, a voice, etc. using the Magix audio editor, SoundForge Pro Suite 14 as acquisition software, and a common Realtek sound card integrated into the motherboard and very widespread in the multimedia sector. An internal audio stream, reproduced by an application on the computer or by our multimedia player, or directly from a website on the web, recorded by the SoundForge software while we listen to it on our speakers, soundbar or headphones via our integrated driver. Since this is an entry-level tutorial, we will try to explain it in a simple way and we will use for convenience, as already mentioned, a version 14 of the audio editor because it is very widespread and very similar to the subsequent ones derived from this one, but clearly different from the previous versions. As regards the source audio stream, we will take it from the site www.fiftysonds.com/it/ which hosts copyright-free music. Let's check the settings of the Realtek driver on PC in the SoundForge editor. To do this, go to the Windows bar and right-click on the speaker's icon. Open Audio Settings. If you do not see this icon, it means that it is not currently active on your PC. In this case, from the Start menu, search, type, Audio Settings and click on the result. If for convenience you want to activate it, just right-click on an empty space in the bar and choose from the drop-down menu, Taskbar Settings, wording marked by the classic gear. From the window opened in the Notification Area section, click on, select the icons to display on the taskbar, then go to the speaker volume icon and activate the switch. From the Windows 10 Audio menu, we control the output and input sections. Output, choose from the drop-down menu, check or change, the output device, speakers, Realtek R audio, your driver with which you listen to audio streams on speakers. Note, we recommend that you set the master volume, which will then influence the internal send during recording, to 88 out of 100. Input, choose from the drop-down menu, check or change, the input device, stereo mixing, Realtek R audio, your driver with which you capture internal audio streams. Note, if stereo mixing, Realtek R audio, is not available, it is probably not enabled. Go down to the main menu and click on the item, Audio Control Panel. The panel will open, Windows 7, go to the Registration tab, choose the aforementioned item which you should see but not active, Properties, Setup, use this device, Apply, OK, and close the menu. Now in the Audio main menu of Windows 10, the previous one, on Input, you should see the item Stereo Mixing, Realtek R audio. Set it. Further down, click on Device Properties and set the volume to 69 out of 100. Now your system is set to manage and record an internal audio stream. On SoundForge, recording settings are set by default, automatically. Do not change them because the editor adapts to your system settings. You can check this by going to the menu, Option, Preferences, Audio. You will find the driver, Microsoft Sound Mapper set to all 32 channels, 16 left and 16 right. Remember, this is a multi-channel editor, not a multi-track one. It is compatible with VSTFX plugins, effects, 32-bit DLLs, 64-bit DLLs, VST2, VST3, and ARA, but it is not a DAW, digital audio workstation, and it does not have a sequencer. Now with your software open your browser and go to the reference site, https://www.fiftasounds.com/it/. Let's choose, for example, to record from this path, https://www.fiftasounds.com/it/ copyright free music, poppyrock.html. The file, take it or leave it. On SoundForge, check and set the recording format. From the menu file, New, Set, check on the open box. Sample rate, 44.100. Bit depth, 24 bits. Channels, 1 to 32 to 2. Stereo. Confirm, OK. Now arm the recording by pressing the red arm button, Ctrl plus Shift plus A, and from the open window, the red button, Record, Ctrl plus R. Once the acquisition has started, go to the site and select the triangular play button in the center of the song box. Take it or leave it. Once the execution is finished, go back to the editor and press the white square stop button, space. Your audio stream is now ready to be optimized and saved. Note, we recommend these volumes to be set with the Realtek driver, out 88 and in 69, having carried out comparison tests between the playback flow and the recorded flow. You can carry out this test by uploading original audio, WAV, MP3, etc. to SoundForge, and comparing it with the recorded version of the same audio. The amplitude, shape, and dynamic performance of the two waveforms should be very similar. Well, that's all for today. We invite you to like the channel, and if you haven't already done so, to subscribe. Activate the bell so you don't miss new interesting tutorials and to discover the section dedicated to our audio productions, remixes, and mashups.
DJARCADE Production, Music Production Studio. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.